Good day, everyone. I am Mabel Pilaza. I'm going to share with you today about Gamma application. This is your gateway to a seamless experience. This is an AI-powered tool that can help you generate presentations, documents, and web pages in seconds. It's a great option for anyone who needs to create content quickly but doesn't have time or skills to design everything from scratch. Sounds great. In creating your Gamma account, of course, we have to open our web browser. Then just type your web browser here, search engine, google.com. Let's say, for example, then just type Gamma, then choose Gamma app. Then, of course, for the first time user of Gamma app, you have to open the website for Gamma. Just click the Gamma, that app. Then, of course, here, so ganito na itsura niya because I have already my account. Then, for the first time or first user, so you have to create your account, your Google account. So, easy lang naman yon once you open the website of Gamma app. So, the site will be asking you about your Google account, no, to be registered in the Gamma. Or yung kung ano yung gagamitin ninyong account to have your account in Gamma app. Okay, so that's it. Then we have to check the buttons that are available in the Gamma app. We have the Gammas. This is the Gammas. Okay, and we have here shared with you. There's none. Then we have the sites. This is the sites I don't have. Then we have the templates, of course. Anyway, my account is just a trial account. So, very limited yung aking templates, of course, kasi trial lang. Then, we have here different templates that maybe it's enough for us to use. Kung hindi naman talaga natin gagamitin every now and then, yung Gamma. Trial account will do for us. Then, we have inspirations. So, we have here, you can select one from this. So, then we have the themes. So, theme, let's say for example, yung themes natin, we have the standard, costume, I have one here. Then, standard, just use the standard one. Then, yung archive natin, yan, I don't have one, so standard. Then, we have custom fonts, if you have, or if your account is pro, then you can access this one. Then trash, of course, if you have document has been deleted, you can check in this area. Then I have only 220 credits or coins. I have here. It says here, get unlimited credits, of course. I have to upgrade from trial account to pro one. So unlimited, unlock unlimited AI and remove Gamma branding. So it costs 15 US dollar per month. Then of course, how many credits does it cost to use AI? So we have here for creating AI 40 credits, add card with AI 5 credits, chat with AI 10 credits, and of course AI images 10 credits per image from, then continue with AI 2 credits each time used. So pwede natin review yan later on once you have your account on Gamma. Then, of course, here, let me check this. So, how can I earn more credits? Of course, we have to avail the Pro account, or alternatively, we have to refer this application sa friends natin. referral link. So, meron dito, and your bot earns credits and when they sign up. So, once wala ka na yung credit, that's one. Kung zero na to, maybe if you want to continue using your account, Gamma account, you have to refer sa friend ninyo so that you can earn your credits to continue using your trial account. Refer a friend, ayan, give 200 credits and earn 200 credits for each new referral. So, it's not bad anyway. Invite a teammate, of course, same, no? Ayan. So, 200 credits and earn 200 credits for each new referral. Same lang pala siya, okay? Then, we have here, then we are done here. So, let me check. So, let us return to Gammas. Ayan. So, yung lagi kong ginagamit here is create new. No? So, we have here create new, create with AI, of course. It costs 40 coins. Every mag-create ka or mag-generate ka, so it costs 40 coins. Then, paste in text, that is the first one. Create from notes, an outline, or existing content. And of course, this is the most popular one. You have create from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. And import file or URL, enhance existing documents, presentation, or web pages. So, para sa akin, yung mostly used in how to create with AI, this one. This is the most popular, generate, continue. Then, let's try this one. Paste in text. Just click continue. Then, open your text. When we see copy paste, literal, we have copy paste. So, I have here my document. Just open your document and the document will do. Then, highlight the text that you want to be pasted in Gamma application. Then, Control-C to copy, or this button to copy your selected file or document. Then, we have here just open again the Gamma, then click your mouse pointer here, then Control-V to paste your document or file. Then we have here the presentation website document. Of course, this is from document, and we're going to have the presentation for this one. And just click the continue button. Okay, continue button. So we have here on the settings on my screen, it is on the left side corner. We have to generate brief, medium, detail. Of course, I'm going to choose a detail. If you want to choose medium or brief, it's up to you. Then, but I'd like to choose this one. Then these are the details. Of course, format ng presentation. I have here fluid, standard, wide. So we have standard. So if you want to use wide, we'll do wide now. Then standard I have here. Then, of course, don't forget this area. Check. Don't forget this area. Okay. So we have here, we can add additional card. But since I have only the trial account, so the maximum cards that is available is 10 cards. So I have only 10 cards. So if you have your pro accounts, so maybe that's more than 10. Okay, just click continue. It will cost 40 coins or credits. Okay, this will be my theme. Okay, so we have here for the theme, we have the dark, we have the light, we have professional, and we have colorful. Okay, so let's say, for example, we're going to use professional theme. So we have here and options. Okay, so you can choose from here. Let's say, for example, this one. Okay, then we have here, let me try this one. Okay, let's say, for example, I'm going to use this theme. Just select the theme, then click this area to generate your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, this will be the interface of your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so now we're going to click generate for us to generate the PowerPoint presentation from my document. So we have here generate. Then just wait. Oh, we have here, it is generating. Yeah. Okay, so you see, in a seconds, you have your professional looking PowerPoint presentation. So you don't need to stress yourself while doing your presentation. Let the AI or the Gamma application do it for you. Then once it is done, because I have only have 10 slides or cards, so here, okay, let me check this one, my presentation. And so I'm done with my presentation. So after this, you can see here my name and even my profile pic and my Google account. It will be reflected on your Gamma application PowerPoint presentation. Then just click here on the upper part. Okay, so we have here on the upper part, we have the, you see, we have the theme, share, and present. If present natin, will do. Then, we have the theme. We can also, or we can still edit the theme if we want to. Okay. So like that. If you want to change, or like this. If you want to change, kung nagbabago yung isip mo, will do. So, let me try this one. Okay. So, after that, then we have here, just close this one. Then we have to share. Of course, in sharing your PowerPoint presentation, of course, you can share this using this share button. Then copy the link, then share with your friends or classmates or kung sino man. Then we have to export. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit, to export. Export to PDF or to PowerPoint presentation. And of course, I have to export it on the PowerPoint presentation. So anytime I could edit the text that I have in that file. Okay, just click this one. Okay, so if you want both, will do. Just click export to PDF. Just one, just wait for it to be downloaded. And this one, and export to PowerPoint will do if you want to. And just wait to be downloaded. Okay. Okay, it takes longer. So I'm going to check this one. This will be my PDF file and this is my PowerPoint presentation file. So let me check first my PDF file. Just double click on it. So I have here. So I have my name also and here. Okay, those are the data. And of course, I cannot edit how the text should be. So I have to check my PowerPoint presentation for this one. Just click the PowerPoint presentation or go to your downloads, okay, File Explorer, then go to downloads, then find your file here, then enable editing for us to edit the text that we have. Then of course we can modify the PowerPoint presentation. You can change the font color, the font size, and even the font face will do. Ayan, let's see for example like this. Ayan, so nabago ko naman siya. Then of course, we have here the font size, okay? You can increase, you can decrease the size of your text, okay? So you can manipulate this area. And even this area, the content, as well, you can manipulate it. From the font size, you can change from the smaller, from the given one to the, you can also decrease this one. Okay, make it bigger to make it visible to everyone and make it readable during the presentation of the PowerPoint, and justify the text, okay, to make it look professional. Okay, then like this, adjust, and adjust. Then of course, you can modify this one. You can bring on the lower part, this one, then bring your picture here and here. Okay, then at least you can increase again your text. Okay, that's it, so that everyone can read it. Okay, that's it. Then how about this the Gamma app logo here? Just click this one. If you don't want to see it, just delete. Okay, then now you can save your file again, or you can rename it to another name. No, pwede naman yun. Okay, so everyone, you can explore using this Gamma app. It is easy for us to generate PowerPoint presentation para sa ating mga klase or daily lesson na we're going to produce. Kunyari, it is limited because ito po ay may bayad. But still, if you want to invest, no, you can you can avail the Pro account. Next, same with, let's say for example, here we are on the next part. Just close this one, close and close. Then we have here, and close. Then just press or click the home button. Okay, this is my recent PowerPoint presentation. Let me show you. This is my recent PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so next we're going to create new one. Okay, but this time you have to generate. Okay, just click this continue button. Then on here, we have presentation, website, document. Of course, we're going to create presentation. So we have here 8 cards and we're going to use 10 cards. That is the maximum one for my account. Then let's say, for example, we're going to type here about, let's say we're going to type technology in special education. And that's it. That is my title. Then I have to generate outline. Then I have here, I have 10 cards. Check here, I have 10 cards. This is my title. Then we have here, it says here, the outline, Introduction to Technology and Special Education. We have assistive technology devices, augmentative and alternative communication, and so on. Then let's check the lower part. We have here, amount of text per card. So brief, medium, and detailed. Maybe you have to maximize For me, I usually use detailed one. Okay, then we have image sources. If you want to add additional images, you can click this one. Then AI images that is available on the Gamma app. So siya na yung bahala for you to generate the image. Okay, it will cost again 40 coins. Ayan, so malapit na maubos yung aking coins. So next, I have this one. So we have here, of course, the theme. We have dark, we have light, professional, and colorful. So let me check this one. We have the dark. So if you want to use this one, we'll do. It depends on our preferences. Okay, but it is limited only. Okay, let's see, for example, so we have here the professional one. So check me. Let us check this one. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use this one. Then just click generate for this one. Generate. Okay. Then after clicking the generate, let's see what will happen. Let's wait for the Gamma to generate our PowerPoint presentation on technology and special education. So Gamma will provide information, details about my topic, about what I have typed. So siya na yung bahala lahat. Then you just wait, no, na matapos. Then afterwards, of course, we have to read those texts on the card so that if you want to eliminate some text that are not necessary doon sa ating PowerPoint presentation, we'll do, but we have to share this PowerPoint presentation for us to edit. Or if you want, you can edit here. Then after editing here, then you can generate your presentation. Okay, so again, this is the theme. If you want to change the theme, no, from this theme to another theme, will do. Just click this one. And of course, if you want to see the presentation or the preview for this PowerPoint presentation, just click this one. Let's play it. And so this will be the appearance during the PowerPoint presentation while you're playing your presentation. Okay? Okay, this will be. Next natin. Okay. Okay, next, so we're going to share this PowerPoint. Okay, collaborate. If you want to share this PowerPoint with your classmates or teammates, we'll do so that everyone can see and can edit your PowerPoint presentation. Share, of course, same. You're going to get the link, okay, for us, everyone can access or can view your PowerPoint presentation. Then we have to export PDF or PowerPoint will do. Just click this area to be downloaded and this area to be downloaded. Okay. Then once it is done, just click done. So we are still waiting for the file to be downloaded. Okay, so after downloading your file, now we can check the file. Okay, we're done. So once it is downloaded, just click the file to be open and don't forget to click enable editing as one for us to edit the PowerPoint presentation. Then after that, after clicking this one, now we can, yeah, let's see it. So now we can modify the text, same yung kanina. Okay, so you know what to do from here to here. So the texts are very small, so we have to increase the size so that it will become readable. And of course, we have to check the alignment of the text to look professional or para maganda siya. Then, just click justify so that both sides are uniform. Okay, so just like this. Then, of course, you can increase also your size, your name. Then, you can increase your name like this, like that. Okay, it's up to you guys. Okay, so same with other. And still, you can delete the pictures from the Gamma app, even this one. Okay, the logo or the button of Gamma app. You can click this one to be selected, then press delete using your keyboard. That's it. And if you want to add additional picture, just copy paste. Okay, your picture from here, in this area. Let's say, for example, we're going to paste picture. Okay. Let's say, for example, this one, I'm going to... Okay, so if you want to add additional picture here, okay, so open the picture. So let me check first. We have here, okay, this one. How about this one? Okay, I'm going to open. Then just select. Then open your PowerPoint presentation. That's it. So after editing your PowerPoint presentation, now you can save it. Just press Control-C, Control-S to save your PowerPoint. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after the generate one, the popular one, we have now the import file or URL. Just click continue. Then I have here the uploaded PDF file. So, inuna ko na kasi medyo matagal ang pag-upload ng file. Then, of course, after uploading your file, this is your file. This is my file uploaded. That's one. Okay. If ever na mag-change ang mind niyo about the file, just remove the file using this one. Okay, to remove the file. Then, we have here, of course, presentation, website, document. Of course, ang target kasi natin for us to create presentation. So, this one. But, after this session, if you want to explore more, if you want to have your website, your document, it's up to you. Then presentation, just click continue to generate the presentation from the PDF file that I have been uploaded. Okay, this one. Okay, so check the buttons, of course, card by card or free form. Then we have here, so we have 8 cards, then make it 10. Then after that, after modifying the cards, okay, so we have here on the left side corner, the buttons, we have the brief, medium, detailed, so choose detailed. Then we have here images, it is given, nandiyan na siya. Then format ng presentation, that is presentation, website, document, choose natin ay presentation. Then we have here, we have to generate this one, it will cost 20 coins again. Then press this button to proceed. Okay, now again, we're going to choose the theme for our presentation. We have dark, we have light, professional, and color. Okay, let's say for example, we're going to choose light. Okay, so We have here this one, or about this one, or Be Happy, okay, Wireframe, or Vanilla. Okay, let me choose Vanilla. Then after choosing the theme, now we can generate our presentation. Okay, so just click generate para ma-generate siya. Then just wait to be generated. Then after generating our presentation from our PDF file, now we can share. We can download the PDF, and we can also download the PowerPoint presentation file. Okay, so meron lang kasi tayong we only just have 10 cards. So after generating your PowerPoint, if you want to modify it, will do just share. Then we have collaborate, share, export, same procedure kanina. So bahala kayo kung ano choose ninyo. Then export, of course, we have to save it sa ating unit. Make it on the PowerPoint since you have your PDF form, or kung gusto mo pa rin ng PDF only. Okay, just wait for the file to be downloaded. Then once it is ready, now you can open the file. Let me check. So it's still on the download mode. Okay, once it is downloaded, okay, don't forget to click the button for enabling or enable editing. Okay, click this one, then just wait. Ayan. Now we can edit the text, even the graphics dun sa PowerPoint presentation natin generated from Gamma app. Okay? So, hope nakasunod po tayong lahat. Okay, then it is very useful in our teaching kasi mas mabilis siyang gamitin compared dun sa you're going to copy paste and you're going to have your own design using the PowerPoint. Now we have the Gamma app for us to assist in creating our presentation. Okay, now let us continue. We have to generate, let's try to generate website using Gamma app. So I'm going to change from 8 cards to 10 cards. Then I'm going to type here what kind of website I'm going to create. So let's say, for example, I'm going to create my special education space. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one from presentation. So I have here website. So let me check website. Okay, so choose this one. Then after clicking the website button, now generate outline. Okay, and of course we have to check the lower part, brief, medium, or detailed. So I'm always using detailed one. And of course, web image search if you want to search, and image style if you want to add additional style. Then of course, we have here image model. You have to choose. It's up to you. Okay, then it will cost again 40 credits. And then I have to click continue button. So I have to choose again my theme. So we have the dark, light, professional, colorful. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, professional. How about this one? Or okay, I'm going to choose this one. Then I have to generate or click generate for us to generate our website. Okay, just wait for it to be generated. Okay, this is generating. This will be my website. I have only 10 cards for my website. So it's easy to create a website using Gamma app. It is an instant website. But of course, we have to edit the area or the text, even the content of our website. If you want to make it personalized, just do it. We have here the button theme, share, and publish. Okay. So in theme, again, we can still modify the theme once you think that it's not fitted or it's not okay with you. So just change it. Okay. So that's it. Then after changing it, okay, just close the button. Then we have to share. If you want to share this one, of course, you have to add your email address if you want, or if you want someone um, to share with your website, you'll do, and we have to export the website. Okay, then once it is done, just click this button. Publish. Once you are done with your website, don't forget to click publish so that the latest information, the latest data, updates, it will be published or it will be recognized. Once the link nasend sa friends ninyo, those updates will appear or you can access as well their website without publishing or without clicking this area, even though you have your link with you or na-share nyo na ito, it will not be open. Okay? So, just click publish to make it publish. Okay, after clicking publish like this, okay, just wait for it to be published. Okay, so we have here the button. It says that your changes have been published. Then visit or view the website. Okay, then now you can share your website if you want. Or now, even your website, you can still export it into PDF or PowerPoint format. Okay, once the website has been published, okay, it look like this. Okay, you see, now you can view your website. Of course, you cannot edit this one because you are not the administrator of the website. Okay, so that's it. Okay, same way with generating with our document. It's easy. Just type the topic. Then after typing the topic, choose how many cards you are going to use. Then after that, choose or click this document button for you to generate your own document. Okay. So same procedure dun sa ginawa natin from presentation to website. Same lang naman yun. Wala naman nagbago dun. So, if you have any question regarding this, okay, so feel free to ask. And the buttons na meron sa Gamma, they are user-friendly. We can explore if we have time kasi madali lang siya talagang gamitin. And pangmadalian talaga. Okay, for additional tips, be specific with your prompts. Of course, the more detailed your prompts, the better the result you'll get. Experiment with different styles. It depends on your taste. What will be the styles? So, Gamma app offers various templates. Of course, we're going to use those templates. If you want, you can create your own template. Then use the editing tools, of course, for us to modify the content, even the pictures of our file. Then explore the features. Of course, do experimentation. Explore the area or the interface of Gamma application to be familiarized with those buttons. Kasi madali yan talaga siyang ganun. Then remember this, that Gamma app is still under development. So just wait for another updates about Gamma. I'm sure this will be exciting. And kasi syempre, they're going to improve this application for us na magamit natin sa pagtuturo natin. Hindi lang sa pagtuturo, even sa different fields, no? It is very useful. And that's it. I'm going to leave you this one. The human spirit must prevail over technology. Albert Einstein. Thank you, everyone.